How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So I want to share with you some new CANA Provisions items that they just recently came out with. And honestly, I've been using the personal water Decon kit, which is right here, for a little while. This is one of their first products they came out with. And my subscribers know I have integrated this into my kits. And specifically, I have used this over at Darcy, and they came up with a really cool solution to water disinfectant in a very small, thin package. Now, like I said, I've already done a video on this, but they made some expansion packs and some other items that are really cool that you might want to get your hands on. Now, the two expansion packs that they made is a hydration kit and then also a purification tablet kit. So this is, in essence, you can buy all three of these together. You can buy them separate if you like, if you already have some, but they're kind of meant to work together, but they don't have to. So the personal water Decon kit, right? I run it in my IFAC. These are in every single IFAC, operational, active duty wise, and just recreational, bug out bag, Minuteman, stuff like this. This runs in an IFAC, mainly because it's kind of that last ditch water disinfectant method. Like if I would lose my pack, like all my water purification stuff is gone, I know this can get me through a little bit more time. Because if you don't have water, you're pretty much dead. Now, for folks that want to and need other things, you can jump off of it, or in a way, jump into another kit that expands off of this, which is the tablet kit. Now this thing has 10 strips of 10, so it really increases that capability. Maybe you are using this as a, in general, a fire team method or several people, right? This will keep several people going for a small amount of time, or one person for an even lengthy amount of time. So you can buy these as a kit. Next thing is the rehydration kit, right? All this has mainly is just a liquid IV in it. There's several tabs, as you can see in here, right? Now, a lot of people says, well, I can just buy this. Valid, you can buy a lot of these products and put it together, but believe it or not, would be cheaper just to get it all in one go. Again, talking about price, I do not make any money off of any of these products. This is 100% me just talking about this product legitimately. You could buy 10,000 of these and I won't see a single kickback whatsoever. This is just me talking about it. I have used it. I've been over at Darcy and used these products in real world scenarios or real world training environments, right? Stuff like that. So I have saw it work firsthand, and then I've taken it home in environments like this and then tested it out as well. That's why I honestly put these in my kits. And honestly, thinking about it right now, in this kit right here is a personal water Decon kit, along with some other stuff in the back, right? Just funny how that works. It's just pretty much all throughout my kits. Now, a couple other items that they came out with, which is really cool, which I like, is they have their own Nalgene now. And yes, it's branded and everything, but the cool thing about this, it has all information on here of how to disinfect the water that's inside of this. It's printed right on it, which is really cool. So no matter where you go, if you have tablets or other methods or other methods of disinfecting, this has instructions of how to do that. It has conversion charts and everything built into this. Now, another cool thing is if you don't want to get the Nalgene, right? They had the idea, why don't we just come up with a sticker, right? So if you already have your own Nalgene or your own quart canteen, get a sticker. You can literally slap this onto the side of whatever 1 liter or 1 quart bottle, whatever it is, and this has the same information on it, which is really cool, which is nice if you hand this off to somebody, which we'll get to that here in a second. They make another product they recently came out with. Quick reference cards, waterproof, plastic, right? And they are NIR or night vision compliant, as in they won't reflect IR light, which is really cool. And this is really handy for handing out to folks, or just like in a part of your team. Like, hey, here's a step-by-step. Follow, the jerry can. Here you go. Follow this. We need this for water. Or just for yourself, referencing. Hey, I'm extremely tired. Haven't had sleep in like 48 hours. We need water. Okay, step one. Okay, how do I go through this, right? It's remembering, or you're referring to something that's legitimate, because if you get water wrong, you're potentially dead. Like, it's pretty serious. So it's very cool they make these. They also make little tiny cards now that come in the newer personal water Decon kits too. Also showing how to use the tabs effectively. The same material, all that kind of stuff. These are really cheap. You can pair these up with maybe something else, or you just keep this in a kit, right? So you can pull it out, hey, cool, here's all the information for it. Another cool thing is they make a jerry can one. This can be taped to the side of a large, 20 liter or 5.3 gallon container, and wherever that jerry can goes, it has quick reference material on it. So you know, hey, you're getting the right stuff. As long as you follow it appropriately, then you're good to go. Now another one, here's the packaging, but here's also, they have teamed up with Aqua Research. Really cool. They're the ones that make the H2Go Global, which I have also shown you in my videos, the solar generator that creates a chlorine-like solution to disinfect. It's pretty much an indefinite method. And how it works all full circle is when I went to Darcy, I learned about that product from Zach at CANA Provisions and from Direct Action Resource Center. So I came back and started testing it myself and was like, man, this thing is super cool. Like, it's a really cool method. So then I integrated it, shared it with you, and now CANA and Aqua Research like kind of teamed up, and now they're making their own kits, which I highly recommend. Super cool. Again, I make no money off of this whatsoever. This is just me talking about a cool company, multiple companies, stuff like that. So yes, there's a lot of cool stuff going on. I would keep your eye on them. I would pick some of these products up, integrate them into your kits. They're very effective. They work. Again, I can say whatever I want. If they didn't work, then I would tell you they didn't work. But for me, they have worked in real world situations and training scenarios all the time. Mainly we train, right, of course. Also, if you guys do want to get some good training, go over there to Direct Action Resource Center, right? They do Tusk, they do all kinds of different stuff. I'd highly recommend getting professional training. Again, not paid to say that. I've went there, I've experienced it, really good stuff. Go ahead, I'll throw their links in the description box below. Highly recommended. A lot of good people over there. Other folks that make some pretty cool products are also helping out over there as well, if you catch my drift. So just take a look at this stuff. I highly recommend it. They're integrated into my kit legitimately right now, and I know my audience likes this kind of stuff, so what the heck, I'll share it with you. So yeah, you'll be seeing me using this stuff a lot more. It is what it is. It's a good kit. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, definitely like, subscribe, greatly appreciate it. Take a look at the description box right into the links, right? I don't get any kickbacks again. It's just, that's where you can get them at, is what it is. All right, that's all I got. Have a great day.